very simple, and we're gonna do it fast, just for you to know this is how it works. And this is ChatGPT with us. So first you go to Google, just put OpenAI API key, click on the first link that will take you to the API key section that looks like this. Just go ahead and create your new API key, save it somewhere. Pretty much the usage is very little. You can go to the OpenAI pricing tab. I'm gonna show you here. We're gonna use GPT-4o mini today, so we pay like 2 cents per million tokens input, and then around 20 cents for million input, and then 60 cents for output. Again, 1 million tokens. If you don't know what tokens are, think about as words. And then input output means, for example, this is the input token, these are the output tokens. But again, it's very little, so you can keep playing with this, and it's gonna cost you almost nothing, less than a cent. Keep in mind that as soon as you jump into the API key in OpenAI, this part you need to put a credit card on file, but you don't have to use it all. You can just put $5, and then that $5 can last you for a month. Anyways, to start, you go to Google Drive, and then click on New, then you click on More, and then click on Google Colab. After you open your Google Colab, it's gonna look something like this, but it's gonna be just plain. Run this code on the first code cell. Again, just copy and paste. While you run it, it's gonna look like this. Then run this part, and here copy and paste your OpenAI API key. So just copy this and then put all your OpenAI API key, run it, and then this is how you interact with the model. So here I'm choosing what model I want to interact with, and here I'm putting what is my question. So we're gonna run this. Again, you can copy all this code, and there you go. ChatGPT is here, the color of the sky, blah, blah, blah. Now I'm gonna show you how to create the user interface like this. We're gonna install Gradio. Pretty much this just installs programs in your code. Once that is done, we're gonna import Gradio. I created a function here. Very briefly, what it does is calls ChatGPT like we saw before, and returns an exception in case there was an error. Here we create the user interface, and let's launch it. There you go. If you open this link, it's gonna be like this, and if not, you can play with it in your same computer. You don't need to know any code, anything. You can get this done fast and under 5 minutes. There you go. I hope you enjoyed it.